Sachin?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting afraid?
No, ma'am.
No. So yesterday, हम तो पूरे honeydew we have finished revision, isn't it? Today
Yes,
we will start our revision of supplementary. So you will have no fear of exam. English is very easy. Grammar also we have done very well.
मैम fear है ना?
Yes, fear है शिवानी. Are you afraid of exam? Yes. Yes.
हमको no tension.
No tension.
एग्जाम के लिए तो मैम सब अफ्रेड है।
वो तो होता है बेटा, जितने भी
इंग्लिश में
प्रिपेयर
तोड़
करो
दूंगा।
Okay, so now we'll start our revision. So all of you please take your chapter 1 from supplementary, how the camel got his hump. All of you please take out your note copy. Today we will discuss that whatever the question you have written, okay, पूरा book का revision नहीं करेंगे, otherwise it will not finish till chapter 5. We can't finish that, है ना? So whatever the question we have written, we have to discuss with that. Alek, unmute yourself beta. Somebody is making noise. Alek? Yes. So Devika is here. Devika? She's not giving any answer these days. Are you okay?
Ma'am, she is here.
She is here, but she doesn't give any answer.
कोई बात नहीं मैम।
No problem. Okay. So now we'll begin with chapter 1. So whom shall I give? Okay. Do you have the copy with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Copy? Not copy with you? Yes, Saloni? Do
Yes,
you have? Yes, Ashma?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have your copy with you? Asma?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you put your video on and now you have to read the chapter 1's question and we'll discuss the answer also. Only the whatever you have written in the note copy, not full book. Okay. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Clear, Asma? आपका वीडियो ऑन करो बेटा, वीडियो ऑन करो. Yes. Now you read first question.
What tasks do you think were assigned to the dog and the ox?
Yes, what work the dog and ox were assigned? Assigned matlab they were given. What work they had given to them? Who? The owner of that animal. है ना? क्या काम दिए थे उनको? What he had given them?
Fetching
What
and carry.
assignment? Yes, to carry the sticks and another one is to plow the field.
Plow the field.
Plow the field.
Yes. All of you know? Gobind, you know beta? Ronak? रोनक, आपको पता है बेटे? Yes or no? गोविंद? अमन?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. मैं जानता हूँ.
Okay. Very good. So shall we discuss next one? Saloni, have you written down this question answer बेटे? Yes.
मैम वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
हमें तो 3D
सारे बच्चे
आवाज आ
सुन
रही
रहे
है.
हो?
Yes,
शायद
ma'am.
उनके तरफ
Yes, ma'am.
उसके तरफ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा बेटा. वो आसमा नेक्स्ट वन यू रीड बेटे.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा.
Why did the camel live in the middle of the desert?
Why he lived in the middle of the desert? Sachin?
Because
Why he lived? Sachin?
Ma'am, because he did not want to work and he ate steak and prawns and pickles, and when anybody spoke to him, he said just hum, and no
Yes.
more.
So you can write using your own words. Because he was very lazy to work, that is why he was going and sitting in the middle of the desert And when somebody used to come to him, he used to say only hum, nothing else. शिवानी, ठीक है बेटा? Yes, ठीक है. Now, next.
What made the dog, the horse, and the ox very angry?
Yes, what the dog and ox made that very angry? Why they were getting very angry? Okay, Ashmita will answer this question. Ashmita, your voice is not. Yes, beta. Can you give me this answer? Why they were getting very angry?
The man told the dog, the horse, and the ox that since the camel cannot walk, he would leave it alone, and the three of them would have to work double time to make up for the work not done by the camel. This made the three of them very angry.
Yes. इसको short में कैसे लिखोगे? If you want to write in short. They got very angry because they have to work double time as usual. पहले से जैसे उससे डबल काम करना है, that is why they used to get angry, है ना? They used to get angry because they have to do the double work of the camel also. Yes. So work of the camel also they have to do. That is why they were getting angry. Correct? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया बच्चे? अश्मिता ऐसे लिखोगे. ओके, पूरा रटाफिकेशन मत करना. यू हैव टू यूज योर ओन वर्ड्स. ओके, so in a simple way you can write, they were getting very angry because they have to work double time, the work of work of the camel also. That's why they were so much angry towards their owner. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
हो गया? नेक्स्ट बेटे. आसमा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ो बेटा.
म्यूट है मैम. सॉरी, अनम्यूट है.
माइक म्यूट है.
म्यूट है किसका?
How
आसमा
did
का.
Ginny
म्यूट
know
कर दे.
the horse was complaining against the camel?
और एक बार पढ़ो बेटा, once again. Nicely,
How
fluently you
did-
read. धीरे धीरे पढ़ो.
Yes, ma'am. How did Ginny know the horse was complaining against the camel?
How did he know that they were Jane? What is that? और एक बार बोलो. Why he was complaining about? क्या पढ़ा था आसमा?
Against the camel.
Against the camel. क्यों complain किया था? Why? How he came to know? Why he came to know? Saloni? Saloni, are you here? Yes?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. She's
not
here.
there. Okay, Ashmita, you only say this question then. Answer. Wow, how he came to know that he is complaining?
Ma'am,
the
the
gene?
gene master of desert, so he was able to know easily who the animal with the long neck and the long legs was.
Yes, correct. So yeah, you will see that here he was the king of the desert. Jin was the king of the desert. That is why he knew who were the animals living there and who is with long neck and long legs. That is why he came to know that that is the animal, that is camel. About him they are complaining. ठीक है? Dezin was the master of the desert, so he was able to know easily. Correct? Clear? अमन
Yes,
को समझ में आया?
Yes,
आ गया
ma'am.
बेटा, अमन को
मैंने
समझ
टेक्स्ट किया
में?
था मैम.
ठीक है. रुद्र, सुनील, गोविंद,
रुद्र भैया स्टार्टिंग पे लगे।
पिटाई करूंगी मैं रुद्र को, जाने दो मुझे उधर। आंसर नहीं दे रहा है ना अभी, है ना रुद्र? ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल रिवाइज।
The camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool. What does it suggest to you about the camel?
Yes, why when he was looking his own image in
Because
the
he
pool,
loved her own image.
he was going on looking. कभी कभी आप क्या करते हो ना, you are standing near the mirror ना, शीशा के पास, आईने के पास खड़े हो जाते हो, मिरर के पास, एंड यू लुक, है ना, बिफोर गोइंग समवेयर, है ना? ये सुनो, देखते हो अंकित,
मैम।
सचिन, यस, देखते हो ना?
यस मैम।
यस, ऑब्वियसली हम भी करते हैं, है ना? सो यू नो व्हेन कैमल आल्सो सो हिज ओन इमेज इन द पोल ऑफ वाटर, वाटर में उसका इमेज दिख रहा था, so he came to know that how he is beautiful, how much beautiful he is. लेकिन उतना ब्यूटीफुल नहीं था क्योंकि उसका तो थीन लेग था ना, बहुत पतले पतले पाँव, पूरा मतलब he was not eating properly and just sitting in the middle of the desert because of the laziness. So he loved his own image, that is why he was reflecting, अनुभव कर रहा था कि how his body is appearing, वो कैसा दिखता है। उसके पास तो मिरर नहीं था ना, है ना? हमारे घर पे तो मिरर लगा हुआ होता है, तो हम अपना इमेज देख लेते हैं, पर ये ऊंट के लिए, ये कैमल के, यस, हाँ, इन द वाटर ही कैन सी हिज ओन इमेज।
Handsome looking.
ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, हाँ, हैंडसम लुकिंग ना, विथ थिन लेग।
The camel said,
The camel
hump
said,
rapidly. How did it affect?
he used to say only hump, है ना? So how did he affect, उसको कैसे अफेक्ट किया? How?
मैम बिग हम्प किया था।
कैसे अफेक्ट किया?
हाँ,
क्या किया था?
बिग
हाँ,
हम्प किया था।
पूरा लंबा खींच के, है ना, रस्सी जैसा।
यस मैम।
So why? How it affect him? कैसे अफेक्ट किया उसको? He was not bothering about others. Even his owner used to call him, he was not coming, है ना? He was very very lazy pot, sitting in the middle of the desert and doing nothing. So how it affect his body or his life, कैसे affect किया था?
Ma'am, Jean turned
हाँ.
his hump into hump, H-U-M-P, hump.
हाँ, he had turned his hump into hump. जो उसका जो ऊपर हम्प होता है ना, जो उनका जो टॉप पार्ट,
आवाज नहीं आता है मैम।
This is not clear? Is it clear? अभी?
No मैम।
अमन? No.
मैम कट कट के आ
Can you
रही है।
hear my voice?
कट कट के आवाज आ रही है।
रुक जाओ, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, नेटवर्क भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम करता है, doesn't support, है ना? Network also becoming lazy like a camel.
मैं ऐसे लग रहा है आपका तबीयत खराब हो, वैसे वैसे आवाज आ रही है।
अरे बेटा, ठीक हूँ मैं, बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, आई एम नॉट सिक। अभी आया आवाज?
यस मैम, सही है।
अभी सही है
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
डायरेक्शन चेंज करना पड़ता है, नॉर्थ टू साउथ, साउथ टू ईस्ट। We'll see the next question.
What, according to the jinn, was the use of the hump?
What? I did not get, bete.
What, according to the jinn, was the use of the hump?
According to Zin, what is the use of hump? Okay. What is the use of hump? What is the use of? भूल गए? बताओ. Yeah, you will say. Yes. Hmm? Yes, Priya. You want to say the answer?
Hump was useful for storing his food and using it during continuous work for many days.
Yes, he was that elephant, not elephant, sorry, camel. Camel was storing the food, and he was using that for the many days, food and water. ठीक है? Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Next one.
I'm finished.
Finished. Okay. Now next chapter.
Second chapter,
Second chapter is children at work.
children at work.
Come on, get ready with that. Children at work.
मैम टोटल में 4 ही क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ 4 ही क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे. चलो
कहाँ
सचिन
5
आप ही
क्वेश्चन
पढ़ो.
है?
No problem. Which one will be left? You will read. Okay, Aman. Now, Sachin, you read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What material are the strange hunts made out of?
Yes, that house where the Jaya was living, है ना? जया जो घर पे रहती थी, that house was made up of what? क्या से बना हुआ था? शिवानी?
मैम वुड से बना, प्लास्टिक वुड टायर्स से
Yes,
बना हुआ था.
Yes, plastic tires and bricks and sticks. Okay, fine. 2-3
अब
example
आ रही
also
है
is
अच्छी
given.
आवाज.
ठीक है. Now next one.
Why does Willow find them strange?
Why value find them strange?
Ma'am,
क्यों
why
उसको
does
अजनबी
Willow
लग?
find them
Okay.
strange?
Why does? है ना? तो उसको क्यों अजनबी लगने लगा? Strange क्यों लगने लगा? Because you know the answer. Because he had not seen in his place such a kind of houses. वो अपने जगह पे ऐसा हाउसेस नहीं देखा था. That is why he found that it is a strange for him. समझ में आया? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Saloni?
Yes, ma'am.
Saloni is here. Have you written down, Saloni, this question? Yes.
वैसे तो मेरे में ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन है ही नहीं.
Okay, next question discuss करेंगे बेटा. Next question.
Yes, ma'am. What
हाँ,
sort
बोलो.
of things did Jaya and the children like her collect? And what did they do with those things?
That. Why they were collecting and what they were doing with all those things. What they were collecting, you know, plastic and Shivani, you know.
Plastic, paper.
Yes, paper, plastic.
Plastic.
Yes. So bottle, paper and plastics, whatever they used to get at the railway station. है ना? Yes, Saloni? So they were getting all these things and what they were doing? क्या करते थे?
Ma'am, they sold to Kabadi.
Yes. Yes, they used to sell that plastic bottles and papers, garbage को जितने सारे चीज को बेच देते थे and they used to get money from there. Clear? Clear हुआ बच्चे? Yes or no?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to tell me, otherwise how I will understand, है ना? Next one.
Is Willow happy or unhappy to find work? Give a reason for your answer.
While you was happy or sad by doing those work? Give your reason. What will be the reason? Pooja, what will be the reason? Whether he was happy or sad?
Is not at all happy, but
Hmm.
because he had never done this type of dirty job at his own village.
Yes, on his village, he has not had done any such a kind of work which was dirty. मतलब ये कूड़ा कबाड़ा उठाने वाला काम बिल्कुल नहीं किया था. That is why he was not happy, isn't it? Yes, he was not happy to do that work because he had not done such a kind of work in his village. Clear? Yes?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. खत्म हो गया बच्चे? Finished that chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
बस तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन
Okay. Now next question. Next one is chapter 3, the selfish giant. Selfish giant. Now Pooja, anybody wants to read? किसी का वॉइस क्लियर हो वही करोगे बेटा, बिकॉज नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होता है ना. दैट्स व्हाई इफ यू हैव नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम देन वी कैन नॉट फॉलो. सो दोस हु हैव प्रॉपर नेट यू कैन रीड. एनीवन?
मैं करूं?
हाँ करो. चैप्टर 3.
Describes in brief and giant grand garden.
Describe Jane's garden in brief.
Yes, ma'am.
वो है. All of you have written this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. How you will describe? कैसे बताओगे कि जैन गार्डन कैसा था? How beautiful it was. है ना? You have to describe.
It was a
That
large,
Jain garden
lovely
was
garden.
large and lovely garden. Lots of birds. Many of birds used to come. Children used to come to play there, and they used to enjoy themselves. And when children used to come to that garden, flowers were blooming, and it was very nice to see. हो गया? उतने ही लिखोगे. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question.
Where did the giant go?
Where did the Jain go? Jain कहाँ गया था? Where he had gone?
To his friend.
Yes, to his friend's house. Next question.
What did the giant do when he saw the children and playing in his garden?
Yes, what he did when he saw the children were playing in his garden. क्या किया था? What had happened to him? He was angry, na?
To put a note.
Yes.
To put a
Yes.
notice.
He had put a big notice board, है ना? जैसे कि to play,
Or ma'am,
forbidden to
he
play.
built the wall around it.
Yes, he built big walls around it, and he had a put signboard, big letter में लिखा हुआ था ना कि क्या लिखा हुआ था? What was the persecutors? There will be those who will enter that garden will be persecuted. मतलब उनको जो भी गार्डन में एंटर करेंगे उनको सताया जाएगा. Persecuted का मतलब होता है सताना. Okay, उनको पनिशमेंट दिया जाएगा. Those who will enter that garden will get punishment. Clear? Okay, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, next.
Why was it still winter in the giant garden?
Why it was winter still in the giant garden? Why? Saloni, are you here? Ashmita,
Yes, ma'am.
Muskan? हाँ. Ashmita, Devika is not answering. Okay, Muskan is here? No. Okay, Ashmita, you say. Or shall I give you the answer?
It was still winter in the giant's garden because the giant had built a high wall around his garden. The spring refused to visit. The birds did not sing as there were no children. The trees too did not blossom.
Sorry. So in this you can write like this by your own words. ठीक है, आपके own words में ऐसा लिख सकते हो. There used to still winter. There was no spring because Jane had stopped the children to come to his garden. That is why the garden was, you can say the garden was in a very sorrowful mood. ऐसे लिख सकते हो, ठीक है. You can write in your own words that it was still winter because Jane had built a very big wall and he was not allowing any person to enter his garden. That is why in that garden area it was very quiet and the plants and flowers were very sad. No birds used to come there. ठीक है, समझ में आया?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Who were happy since seeing spring was not arrived the giant garden.
और एक बार बेटा, I did not get. और एक बार पढ़ो.
Who were happy seeing spring
Who were happy?
has not arrived the giant garden.
Who was not happy when the spring did not arrive in Jane's garden? यही है ना question?
Yes,
यही है ना
ma'am.
question? हाँ. So who were not happy? Who was not happy? Pooja? Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you repeat the question, bete?
Who were happy?
Put your video on.
Who were happy over the state of garden?
Yes, who were very happy? That is the question, na? Yes? Who were happy?
Yeah.
आवाज थोड़ा सा नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. That's why I'm not able to get it. Yes, Pooja?
Question ये था, who were happy seeing spring has not arrived the giant's garden.
Has not, ma'am.
Has not है. मेरे को confuse हो रहा है. That is why I don't have the question with me. मैंने जो क्वेश्चन सब दिया था सब डिलीट कर दिया बेटा. हैंग होता है मोबाइल इसीलिए.
मैम ये क्या कहते हैं मैम, ये वर्मा सर जब पढ़ा रहे थे तो मैम ये वर्मा सर ने भेजे थे मैम ये क्वेश्चन. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Yes, ma'am.
आप तो कट कट के आ रही है.
अभी भी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी आया?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. थोड़ा कट कट कर रहा है पर सही है.
Yes, ma'am.
आ रहा है ना? हाँ, अभी पढ़ो बेटा. हाँ, पढ़ो.
क्वेश्चन पढ़े.
कोई भी पढ़ो.
Who were happy seeing spring has not arrived in the giant's garden?
हाँ, who had और who were not happy.
कौन खुश थे कि जाइंट के गार्डन में अभी तक स्प्रिंग नहीं आया?
हाँ, कौन खुश थे? You know? मैं बताती हूँ. Who were very happy?
The snow
Children.
and the frost.
हाँ. Snow and frost were very happy, as well as children also were very happy because he had built a big wall and he was not allowing anyone to enter. That is why जब spring नहीं आया तो बाहर के लोग देखकर बहुत खुश होते थे. ठीक है, you have to mention like that. Snow and Frost were very happy, as well as the children, those whom he was not allowing to enter the garden were very happy. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, next.
Why is the giant called shellfish?
Why he called the selfish man? Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Because he does not allow the children to play in his garden.
He did not allow any children to enter his garden and
Garden.
to play. He did not allow to play. Okay. So here you will see, you will write like this, because he was selfish. He was called selfish because he did not allow any children to enter his garden to play. And he was thinking about himself only, not for others. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो इसे आप लोग को ना पूरा चैप्टर समझ में आया है ना. you know the chapter, then you yourself you write it. जो रटाफिकेशन बिल्कुल you will not do that, otherwise I won't give you good marks. जो अपने वर्ड्स में लिखोगे ना तो अच्छी मार्क्स दूंगी.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. सो सारे बच्चे क्रिएटिव नहीं होना है. यू हैव टू create words and you make by yourself, then you will able to learn, then you will be very much confidence अपने आप में आएगा बेटा, अपने आप खुद लिखोगे तो. और क्या है ना, रटाफिकेशन करके जाओगे एग्जाम के लिए, इतना कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे क्वेश्चन देखने के बाद कि एक वर्ड्स भूल गया तो सारा आंसर भूल गया.
तो मैम पूरा भूल जाते हैं.
पूरा आंसर खत्म. दैट इज वाई बी कॉन्फिडेंट.
समझा होता है चैप्टर तो मैम तो लिख भी देते हैं.
बिल्कुल, इसलिए मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ ना कि तुम लोग को चैप्टर बिल्कुल समझ में आना चाहिए, है ना. टिल यू गेट, ट्राई until you get. ओके. सो इस चैप्टर में कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो यू विल आस्क मी, मैम आई हैव इन दिस पैराग्राफ आई हैव अ कंफ्यूजन. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
Why did the giant build a wall around his garden?
Why he built wall around his garden?
Because he
was
does not allow children to play in his garden. Because he
yes.
built a high wall.
Yeah. So you know that he was a selfish man, है ना सचिन? वो selfish man था.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Yes, he was very selfish. And क्या बोलता था, मेरा गार्डन मेरा ही है, my garden is my own garden. हाँ, yes.
और किसी का नहीं होगा मेरा गार्डन.
Nobody else. मेरा गार्डन मेरा ही है, किसी और का नहीं. My garden is mine, nobody else. He was very selfish and he said that his garden is his own garden. There nobody should get in, nobody should get inside that garden. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. और 2 चैप्टर बाकी हो गया बेटा, do it fast.
Who was the little boy?
Who was the little boy?
The little
Little
boy
boy is the who makes the giant's garden. Giant's heart.
Yes, Asmita, आपका आंसर क्या है?
The little boy was an unknown child.
And he was the heart of, जैसे कि अभी सचिन ने बोला कि that he did not know that boy, but he was very much attached to him. So he was very dear to him, and it was the heart of Jane. Heart मतलब ये समझते हो कि ये दिल नहीं, very dear to Jane. Okay? ठीक है, समझ में आया? सचिन, your answer is also correct. Okay?
Yes.
Next.
Why did the giant grow angry after seeing him?
Why after seeing him he got angry? yes, correct. When he saw that his little boy was hurt, है ना, and he was crying, so he called him and he asked him what had happened to him, ना, उसको बुलाया और पूछा कि किसने आपको ये चोट पहुंचाया है ना. He saw the stigma, you can say, cut on his hand. सचिन, ये याद है कुछ? जब वो बॉय रोते हुए आया, he came to Jane by crying, and he said that he had got hurt.
मैम वो गिर जाता है
Yes,
ना.
ma'am.
yes, गिर जाता है. उसका जो गिर जाता है नहीं बेटा, उसको मतलब क्या बोलेंगे? How you will say this? He was crying because he had got hurt, and he nahi. When Jane saw him crying, he was very angry, and he said that who had hurt मतलब चोट पहुंचाए हैं. And he was very much angry, and he said that who thou have hurt you. यही बोलता है ना इस सेंटेंस में.
Yes, ma'am.
उसका घाव देख के, उसका ऊंड देख के, he was very angry. He was very angry by seeing the boy's wound on his hand. ठीक है? Why he was angry? He was angry because he saw the wound on child's hand. ये लिख देना. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
What did the giant see through the little hole in the wall?
नहीं मिला बेटा मुझे क्वेश्चन. What? और एक बार बोलो.
What did the giant see through the little hole in the wall?
Yes, वो छोटा हॉल जो था दीवार में, वहां से उसको क्या दिखाई दिया?
Ma'am,
He saw that the scene of the spring. Yeah. Yes, spring has come and children. Yes, the spring has come and the children have entered in his garden and playing happily. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
And he
Next.
lie on the ground also.
He was lying on the ground. You can add, no problem. Okay, next bete.
What did the giant go when he realized his mistake?